Today's strategy is completely new, and I am going to use 4 indicators in it, which help me in getting very good entry points, and there is nothing difficult in this strategy, so new traders will find a new strategy along with a lot of new information. So first I will set up the indicators. So the Heikin Ashi chart pattern looks to be performing quite well for today's strategy, and the timing of the candle is 30-second, which is a very good timing. And a 1-minute timing on a 30-second candle will show very good performance. And I also set today's trade amount. And now I'll add today's indicators. It's very important to add their settings correctly. The first step is to add the moving averages twice, and now I'll adjust these a bit. First of all, let's change the settings for the first moving average. Next, I will change the settings and colors of the second moving average. Now I will add the next 2 indicators, which are the CCI indicator and the Williams %R indicator. Now I will adjust the settings of the CCI indicator. After this, some changes are also required in the Williams %R indicator. So here I have set all the indicators correctly according to today's strategy. Now I will add some currency pairs, so that it becomes easier for me to find the good and simple chart. So after searching for a while I found a very nice chart here, and it is starting to drift towards a downtrend. So here the indicators have provided a very good signal in the downward direction, as the blue and white lines have crossed each other very well in the downward direction, and this yellow line of CCI indicator was flowing in overbought situation for a long time, but now it has started flowing towards oversold, which is a good sign of market fall. The Williams indicator also gave a good signal. The green line of the Williams indicator had reached -10, which was a good indication of a market top, and now this line is moving towards -100, which is also a good indication of a market decline. So here the first entry has been successful, but the market is still moving strongly in the down direction, so I will place one more entry. So here the support level is also below and the indicators are also indicating a decline. That is why I again placed a sell entry here. And I think that the market may move towards a downtrend, because most of the confirmations are on the downside. Very good. I placed entry twice in this chart, and both the entries were successful here. So after drifting in the downtrend for some time, now a strong upward movement is visible in the chart. And here the blue and white lines have crossed each other in the upward direction, and have given the signal of uptrend. And here the yellow line of CCI indicator is almost oversold and is now indicating an uptrend market. But Williams line has not even reached the oversold line and is moving upwards. So the reason for this is that an uptrend is going on in the market. Here the market was in a downtrend for a long time, but all the candles were weak, and now a strong green candle is forming on the upside, which gives a good signal about the strong uptrend. So as I analyzed, the market showed strong uptrend movement, and my entry here was successful. So here the red candle is forming quite strong, which indicates a strong downtrend. So due to the lack of strong confirmation in this chart, I have placed only one entry here. I have found only 2 confirmations here, which are the downtrend cross formed here, and the strong red candle formed here. But the CCI indicator and Williams indicator have not yet given any confirmation of market overbought, so the chances of this being a profitable entry may be low. A strong downtrend has started here again, so it is possible that my entry may win. After placing the entry, the market showed a good downtrend movement, but in the end the market went above the entry point and my entry lost. Now I will look for a good chart so that I can place an entry of a good amount. So this time almost all the confirmations are pointing in the downward direction. So here the blue and white lines have crossed in the downward direction to give a downtrend signal. And also the CCI and Williams indicator lines are falling from the overbought zone to the oversold zone, which is a good sign of a downtrend. And one more thing, the market here was sluggish for quite some time, no direction was being decided to move the market here, but with the entry of sellers, a rapid downtrend has started, so this is also a good sign of a decline. Great, my entry won here. So there was a downtrend going on here for a long time. And now there is a very strong bullish movement in the market. So here after a long downtrend, the uptrend has started, and all the indicators have also given good signals towards the upside. Still I have placed only one entry here, because this can also be a slight reversal in the overall downtrend market. So the strategy is quite simple, and after using it correctly it gives me more accuracy, but my advice is always that it would be a better idea to try the strategy first in a demo account.